Warm welcome to you wherever you are in the world. Let's join Romilo at his garden. This is the mid-July edition, and we will be doing some pruning and a tour of the garden. We have been carrying grapes this year. The flowers not what our grapes are, but to encourage more growth we have to cut the, look, this was the growth last year and it's the same vine that bears the fruit this year. So to stimulate or to direct more energy to the fruits or to the bundle, is it bundle? I cut it from here. Yeah, we want more fruits, not more leaves. Here as well. But this one is the growth this year. So next year this will be the fruit bearing vine. For this case, close up man on this one. This was a growth last year and it bears two, how are they called? Two bundles.
Yeah.
Sipol, I don't know the word, forgive me.
Branches?
So we cut the
branches?
leaves. We want more fruits, not leaves. Same here. It's enough to leave some leaves to support photosynthesis. Here as well, look at this. We can cut it here. This as well. How about this one? Same here. Well, they're still young. And this, look.
Ooh.
Lots of, yeah, how about that? I don't know where to cut, but this is abundant. This is this year's growth, and we'll keep this for next year. How about this one? We can cut this as well. Let us visit my pear trees. Here's one variety. Look at them. Look at the fruits. I think it would be around October, November when it's time to harvest them. And this is a bigger variety. Apples here. And more apples here. More apples here. The peas are gone. The peas have died, but we have more than enough harvest from them this year. I'll be clearing this this weekend, and that's the corn department. Okay. Welcome to the polytunnel. Our first tomatoes. Masita kamanan. Close up. First tomatoes, and this are the encouraging ampalaya or sopropo. Our first or our second, because the first seedlings were killed by the frost. Not very encouraging, but at least we have leaves for the mungo. One of our best crops this year, everlasting. That's the color we knew from Baguio. More there. Yeah.
Yes.
And the beans. These are the native runner beans. They are tolerant to milder weather. So look at the flowers. We expect to harvest from this. But from the string beans inside, no. Unfortunately, no. These are what we call sweet peas flowers. Again, they are grown not for the peas, but for the flowers. If you can only smell them. That's why they're called sweet peas, because they really smell sweet. Good to the head to stimulate more flowers. But I'm afraid I'm too late to do this. We don't want the peas, we want the flowers. The dahlias have began to blossom. What a treat to the eyes. But compared to last year, this area was full of colors. It was crowded with dahlias. I think it has to do with this pergola, which I'm showing to you now. The climbers have dominated the area and they cover the sun. Flowers need sun to flourish. I need to give this a haircut. Pruning in the rain. Thanks to the pergola I don't get wet. But it's getting stronger. It's time to leave. Here are lilies. Thanks to Spare who gave me the plants last year. They look good, wet. Here's a rose, pink rose, which I bought from Lidl, planted last year. Another rose from Lidl. Roses look good when wet. There's are some flowers planted in between the pear and the apple trees. More sunflowers there, and here's another rose. More sunflowers planted next to the grape arch. But I think this year it will be the year of the grapes for me. Less flowers, but more grapes. Courgettes or zucchinis are in abundance. It's the season, so we'll be making more of your favorite dishes. From stir fries, ding ding, to muffins, to fritters. Join me again next time here at the garden or at our little kitchen as we bring you more of our gardening and cooking series with Romulo here, your uncle and kuya, and with my mind and Grace. don't forget to watch our summer discovery series as well. We'll be showing you more of Spain and Peru. Until next time, Dios te guarde.